Yes, so the old Hollywood, na him be the new Afro fusion. The old Hollywood, na him be the new Afro fusion.
Your Liberian Nigerian boy.
Nah, Bikono, make one help me judge this matter. I brought this gentleman into the Nigerian community. He's a Liberian boy. I brought him into the Nigerian community and gave him the name Emeka. Since then, I never rest. This boy does the disturb every time. I don't know, say to be Nigerian, they sweet this guy like this. Okay, this is what you will do. Huh? No problem. Allow me make I finish this thing for Dr. O. Then you go fit talk your own. Okay, let's do that. Dr. O don't scatter the old Hollywood though. The new Hollywood na be the Afro fusion. 256 Hollywood Avenue in Hillside, New Jersey. This Friday is going to be bad. Make una just they come everywhere where you wanna dey for that man. This Friday, 256 Hollywood Avenue in Hillside, New Jersey. The new Afro Fusion don't take over. Upstairs of the Afro Fusion, na be the LEKKI Kitchen. LEKKI Kitchen na #1 worldwide. People they flying from London, California, Canada, everywhere just to come chop for LEKKI Kitchen. They get one best delicacy what they call the soul fish. The soul fish na be the main dish where they there. If you chop this soul fish, you pass all the celebrity and other fish where people they chop. Come chop the soul fish for LEKKI Kitchen. LEKKI Kitchen is located upstairs at the Afro Fusion, 256 Hollywood Avenue in Hillside, New Jersey. Dr. O don't scatter walk. Even Dr. O, people say, come relax. Away from home. Enjoy yourself. Stress free. Stress free. Even Dr. O don't talk and say, stress they kill. But guess what? if you get the how, Dr. O get the waiting formula. You get the how, Dr. O get the formula. So make gonna come through. More fire. Fuka. I don't talk her. Okay, now why I don't talk my own? Make this Liberian boy talk your own. Make person, you know the let person rest. Talk your own.
Nigeria, of course. You come to LEKKI Kitchen, add the food there. Yeah, I tell you, everything I tell you, since ever since I became this Nigerian man, I ever lied to you before? I never lie. And if you are a single man, and you want to marry a single lady, come to everything there. Dr. O already said if you have the how, Dr. O now had the formula. If you have the how, Dr. O come have the formula. Yeah, I tell you, just come Hollywood or the new Afro Fusion. If he happy, he happy. Just be free spirit. Be a free spirit person. If he happy, he happy. It no matter what you want to do. We are waiting. Amen.
Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Fuka.